A while ago, one of my students sent me a message I get probably more than any other question. I have about $100 to $150 a month to invest in something. What would be the most worthwhile? And Ashley's not alone. I get some version of this question constantly, from brand new creators wondering if they need a ring light on day one, all the way up to creators clearing 5 figures a month who are still holding on to tools they've outgrown, or worse, they're still doing this alone without the help of a team member. So today I'm giving you a full breakdown of how I would purchase and at what stage if I had to do it all over again, starting from zero. There are 6 tiers and based on 2 numbers: how many videos you've posted and how much you're making a month. For each tier, I'll tell you exactly what I'd buy, what it costs, and why that thing at that stage and not before. Hey everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Andy Lee. I share all things related to the Amazon Influencer Program, including the strategies and tactics I've used to earn me over $235,000 in the last 12 months. And if you're wondering what the Amazon Influencer Program is, I'll be sharing a video about that real soon. And no, you don't need to be an influencer to get into the program. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it. I've put together this free resource that you can find in the freebies section of our website, and I'll add the link below. You might have to fill out the form for our newsletter to get access, and no worries if you've already signed up, just add your info again and get the access. And if you haven't signed up, the newsletter is genuinely useful if you want the latest news, tips, and strategies from Leapad Academy. Now, once you get access, you'll have this resource and several others. For this particular resource, we're going to talk about what to invest in and when it's worth it. Okay, so this first tier, tier 1, this is where you are from 0 to 50 videos. You're making from $0 to $300 a month. And these are the absolute must things that you have to have as an Amazon influencer that I feel will really level you up and get you on the right start. So a magnetic ring, a tripod. Now there are certain tripods that can extend quite a bit, and I'll also drop a link to all the equipment that I'm using, but this one in particular is very useful because it's magnetic, and I use my iPhones for all my filming, and I have 2 of them, and I'll tell you when you should get a backup. But with the case, you can connect this magnetic case to your tripod quickly to record everything that you need to. You can do kind of like a selfie style. You can record it this way, and you can grab and go wherever you need to. All right, the next thing here is ViroView and their starter plan. It's $30 a month, but it's well worth it because it has a very key feature that I think you're gonna love. The order history scanner, essentially what it does, it scans your entire history of Amazon orders. And when I look back at my history, when I first started, I had 1,600 items that I've ordered from Amazon over the past decade. And if you're like me at all, I'm not going to spend my time doing all 1,600 videos. I want to know what are the best opportunities, and ViroView is going to let you know. It has a ViroView score that makes it very easy to read, and you can dive deeper into the metrics if you're a little bit more advanced to see how many sales, what the price is, if there's a creator connections campaign, which can earn you 10 to 50% more commissions. And so with the ViroView starter plan, you can scan that order history and figure out what to target first. Not every single product is going to be worthwhile to spend your time. And so by spending that $30 for, like, just to say the first month of your journey, is going to save you so much time so that you can target the best products to make videos for. The next one is Oink for influencers. And so this is the free plan, and Oink is really great for messaging. You can message brands. There's no cap or limitations, and you can reach out to them for potential free brand products. And there's a few other features that Oink offers in their free plan that might be valuable to you as you get your journey started. All right, tier 2, this is when you're around 50 to 200 videos and you're making about $300 to $1,500 a month. This is when you should go full pro plan for Oink. It's about $30 a month, but what you get out of that is a key feature for Agent Oink. And Agent Oink, you can send hundreds of messages to brands to ask for free samples in bulk. Super easy to use, and it can run overnight for you. Pro Plan also makes it a little bit easier and faster to accept the campaigns that you have already related to products and content that you have on your storefront. ViroView has a very similar feature as well, and their accept campaign is very fast. And I believe that's also on the starter plan, but I'm not 100% sure. But Pro Plan for Oink can definitely level up your game when it comes to messaging brands and handling all those brand deals and creator connections. All right, at this stage, if you are making a little little bit more money, you can also start investing in better products. I use a softbox, which is kind of like essentially lighting on a tripod. You can move it wherever you need to. And I started out with a very inexpensive version. I have the Torgem softbox, which I'll show here, and it's super simple to use, and it's like $50 or less. I'll provide that in the idea list link below as well. And then a lavalier mic. You're going to want good audio. People will watch a video that is not quite great as far as visual aspects and production, but they're not going to watch a video if the audio is horrible. If they can't hear you or it's too staticky, that's a problem. And so audio is very important to get. And so a lavalier mic, a very inexpensive one you can start out with, will really help improve your game, especially if you're outdoors, and the noise cancellation will significantly make the audio quality a lot better. Around this stage, you're also going to want to start dabbling into investment products. So 5% to 20% of your earnings is probably a good place to start. Depending on the time of year, it might make more sense to invest more, like let's just say September leading up into the November and December holiday season, or right before Prime Day season, you can invest a little bit more as far as 20%. Of course, don't invest anything that you're not comfortable with. Start small, especially if this is your first time. Don't go wild and buy a $500 item or something thinking that you're going to make more money off of it. Typically, if I looked at all the products that I've invested in, there's going to be some that are just going to be duds, and that's normal. I would say 20% of my investment products makes up 80% of my income. And so you can see that of like 10 products, only 2 of them are really going to make really outlier earnings, while the other 8, it could operate at a potential loss or just break even. But by getting better at product research and understanding what to purchase and what makes a great product, you're eventually going to learn and get better and find better results. If this is something that you're struggling in and you're starting to plateau, it's been several months and you're hanging around $1,000 a month, it might be a great opportunity to check out ScaleUp, which is my scaling and growth course that I'll also link in the description below. It's 10 modules, 130 self-paced video learning lessons. It comes with SOPs, templates, system workflows, all the strategies and tactics that I use to help scale my business. All right, here is the next stage. We have a tier 3, 200 to 400 videos, 1.5 thousand to 3,000. And I just do want to call out that if you already have 200 to 400 videos and you're nowhere near 1.5 thousand to 3,000, that is another good opportunity to really look at the products that you're selecting and your overall strategy. So check out that ScaleUp course if you want to learn a little bit more. Now, as far as objective testing, let me share what that looks like. So I have tools such as this anemometer. This essentially measures airflow. And so for like vacuum cleaners, for example, I can tape this to the suction tube and it won't actually give me a true suction rating, but it will give me airflow. And if you're comparing multiple vacuum cleaners, you're going to be able to get meters per second. How fast is the air flowing through this tool to measure that? Here are 2 additional very common tools that I use. This is a decibel reader. So for anything that makes noise, this is going to be important to show your viewers whether it's something that's very loud or quiet, and comparing multiple products at the same time. You can also use this, which is a power meter. It'll tell how much wattage is being pulled for each product. And it'll be really great for those budget conscious buyers. As far as creative testing tools, check this out. This is a fog machine that I purchased to test some air purifiers. I also bought a clear tent, and I'm able to measure the particulate matter using this meter to independently test whether each air purifier is actually doing the thing that it's supposed to do, which is clean the air. But there are all kinds of creative tools that you can use and purchase in order to build a more compelling product video than the typical hold the product and talk about it. You can actually demonstrate it, and not just demonstration, but use objective data points to really sell the products and identify a winner so that it's not just your subjective opinion. Around this stage, you're going to want to get serious around product research, and that means more software and more tools. So ViroView Pro Plan and Keepa, I both highly recommend for this stage so that you can get into the really nitty-gritty details of product research, which I cover a little bit more in the ScaleUp course. You can also check out this this video here where I talk a little bit more about the 3 different plays I use for product research, and I talk about a tool that I use specifically to find those investment opportunities. At this stage, it's also a great idea to consider hiring your first virtual assistant. Right here, I have this Find VA button. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about Lypad Complete, click that button and you'll get to our landing page to learn more. And stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a full overview of what that looks like and whether that's the right option for you. All right, when you reach tier 4, which is around $3,000 to $5,000 a month, you're going to want to consider getting a second phone. This is especially helpful if you want to do multi-angle shots. For example, if you have a front-facing camera that is showing your face versus a camera that's above you and you're doing like an unboxing or demonstration of the product on a desk. This is a great opportunity to have those 2 angles at once. You can also use it to capture multiple angles as you're working through a large demonstration. You can get multiple shots of B-roll from different angles to combine that. This is especially useful if you have a video editor or a virtual assistant that can help edit all this footage that you're gathering. It's also a great time to upgrade your audio. I use the DJI Mic 3. It's super small, very compact, and it gives you really crisp, clear audio. I also upgrade my lighting. Right now I have a Bowens mount light, and it is a newer, which is a very good brand for lighting. And I also use a parabolic softbox just to give me more lighting across the whole room. And so it is a little bit different from the Torgem softbox light that I recommended earlier. And this just gives you better lighting overall, especially for large wide angle shots where you're doing big demonstration videos. And finally, in this tier, I recommend getting Cha-Ching Automate, especially if you have a backlog of videos where you have not been cross-posting internationally or YouTube. Cha-Ching makes it so much easier. So at this point, you probably have 400 to 700 videos, then you haven't cross-posted anything. Cha-Ching will make it super simple to do. Tier 5, you're at $5,000 to $10,000 a month. You're probably getting overwhelmed with all the work that you have to do. And might be a good time to hire that second virtual assistant, which can cost you around $800 to $1,200 a month, especially if you're finding someone who is more specialized. And so with our particular style in my business at Andrew's Reviews, we target for really high level, high production, highly edited B-roll, voiceovers, motion graphics to really drive engaging content, not just for Amazon, but also for YouTube. We have a niche channel, we have a general kind of reviews channel as well, but having a specialized VA at a slightly higher price point will give you better quality in general. All right, quick ad here. During editing, I realized I left something out. The top 10% mastermind that I'm personally part of. Once you hit tier 5, anyone making over $5,000 a month, you can apply to join. It's led by Nicole Vincent and data coach Claire. When you're a top earner in the Amazon influencer space, rubbing shoulders with other top influencers, you're learning from some of the best in this game. We get on a call every Monday to talk through what's working, what's not working, and being in the room builds real connections, and it helps you scale even faster. All right, now onto tier 6. Once you're past 10,000, you might want to consider a third VA. We have 4 VAs on our team, and they all do something different within our business, and just having more on your team is going to continue to help support you, and so that you can focus on higher return activities like actually filming more content. If hiring a virtual assistant on your own feels too intimidating, Lypad Complete is built just for you. It essentially bundles 3 things into one program. First is ScaleUp, our course on growing your content and your income, what to post, how to find winning products, and how to actually move through these income tiers faster. This is not a beginner course. It's advanced strategies with about 130 self-paced video lessons, which includes templates, SOPs, and system workflows. The second is HireUp. It's our course on how to find, hire, and train a virtual assistant. The exact framework for finding a rockstar virtual assistant and deciding what to hand off and how to manage for high performance and efficiency. It's the same system behind our own hiring practices at Andrew's Reviews and Leapad Academy. And third, the part that people ask about the most is our done for you service. Our team finds, vets, and trains a VA specifically in the same strategies and workflows that I use to scale my business. You're not posting a job listing and hoping for the best. We do the interview with the candidates, train them on the Amazon influencer workflow itself, and hand you someone who has a strong foundation on how to do the job on day 1. Our first cohort just wrapped up last week, and honestly, the feedback has been incredible, not just from our students, but from the VAs we paired them with too. Both sides are seeing exactly the results we built this program for. And right now, Lypad Complete is 30% off, but only through July 19th. That's also the deadline to get into cohort number 2. And after that, doors close and pricing goes back up. Honestly, it's unlikely to ever be this low again. And if you want in, book a call using the link below, and let's figure out if it's the right fit for where you're at. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'll be hosting an interview with one of my favorite coaches in this industry. Check it out over here, and I'll catch you on the next one.